Exciting new technologies that will be ready in the next 12 months. New solutions to industry challenges. Let's take a closer look. Technology 4. Teledyne. Subsea Supercharger. Power Node. Supplying cost-effective, reliable, low-carbon power to remote developments is challenging. Umbilicals and cables are expensive, long lead items and can be prone to failure, often costing millions of pounds to install or repair. Developed for space and adapted for the subsea environment, the Teledyne Subsea Supercharger is an advanced fuel cell-based energy storage system. Its proton exchange membrane fuel cell generates electricity from stored hydrogen and oxygen, providing an energy source for subsea electrification and power for autonomous underwater vehicles, or long-term backup power for late-life field extension and emergencies. Each supercharger is capable of providing up to 20 kilowatts of untethered power and storing up to 30 megawatt-hours. Enough to power most subsea developments that don't require artificial lift. Based on a typical marginal development, this innovative technology could save up to £150 million per umbilical and prolong infrastructure lifetime for mature fields. Technology 5. Isolate Fusion Barrier. Installing wellbore barriers during plug and abandonment activities is challenging and expensive. Current best practice requires the drilling rig to remove the completion tubulars before installing multiple cement plugs. This traditional approach is labour-intensive, time-consuming and costly, and there are concerns about the long-term effectiveness of cement as a zero-emission barrier. Isolate's Fusion Barrier offers alloy as an alternative zero-emissions barrier to cement. Deployed on wireline and heated downhole, the alloy melts at the required depth and solidifies to create a unique metallurgical bond between the alloy and the tubing or casing, before solidifying to create a zero-emission barrier. It can also be used to fill cement fissures and microannuli between casing and the adjacent rock. With the ability to deploy bonded impermeable alloy barriers without the need for a drilling rig, Isolate's technology has the potential to halve operational time and save £1.1 billion over the next 10 years. In addition to P&A activities, this exciting technology could be used to more effectively isolate water or reinstate well integrity, extending production life and delivering more reliable well seals. Technology 6. QL Tech RoboCoat. Fabric maintenance is critical to preserving and extending the life of our aging infrastructure, especially with many assets now operating well beyond their initial design life. Growing maintenance backlogs and the risk of blasting live equipment create high operating costs. Traditional maintenance activities are labour-intensive, inefficient and prone to human error, making fabric maintenance an opportunity for automation. RoboCoat, developed by QL Tech, is an intelligent surface preparation and coating robot, featuring advanced AI software. RoboCoat is capable of blasting, coating and conducting QA and QC of large, complex structures. Lightweight and mobile, RoboCoat is ATEX rated and fully autonomous, and reacts to real-time changes in the environment to ensure operators get the best performance from their coatings. Traditional fabric maintenance on the UKCS costs £1.3 billion every year. With limited human supervision, RoboCoat could treble offshore productivity rates and reduce costs by up to 50%. RoboCode could deliver annual savings of around £625 million and a lower carbon footprint with fewer people on board. Three technologies ready for field trial. Why don't we work together?